thrilled to share some electrifying updates for Sony Alpha fans, especially if you're tuning in for mirrorless innovation and the latest camera rumor deep dive. I've narrowed down what 2 of the next 3 Sony cameras are likely to be slated for launch between August and October. We're looking at the upcoming Sony A7V and a fresh shoulder-mounted cinema-style rig. Fun, right? The third mystery model is still under wraps and could be the surprise we're all waiting for. Rumor roundup and leak talk. You read that right. The 2 soon-to-arrive models are almost certainly going to be the Sony A7V and a new PXV Z380 shoulder camera. Not the most thrilling sibling in the batch, but Sony enthusiasts love specs, so let's dive deep. Since last year, many of us have felt Sony's camera lineup was, how shall I say, underwhelming. We got stellar lenses like the 15-50 GM, but the FX2? Basically an A7 IV with a built-in EVF and no sensor upgrade to match today's pace. The competition has accelerated. Fujifilm, Canon, Nikon, they're not sleeping. They've rolled out faster snowballing models, innovative sensors, and strong video performance. Still, Sony's fanbase remains faithful for one simple reason: pure imaging innovation, even if slower. What's on the horizon? A7V and shoulder rig. According to a reliable Chinese leak database, Sony recently registered 3 new cameras between August and September, pointing to imminent announcements between now and October. 2 of them? Almost certainly the A7V and the mysterious shoulder camera codenamed PXV Z380, a direct successor to the current model priced north of $8,000. So yes, prep your wallets, but hold on before judging price and positioning. A7V at premium tier. Insiders hint that the A7V won't be a lukewarm refresh. Unlike the A7 IV, which offered similar cores, a 33MP sensor and an AI chip, but no major jump, this one seems to be a premium leap. Word is the euro price will be around €3,500, that's roughly $3,000 for the US market. Especially since the A7 IV's price was recently bumped to around $2,700, this feels like the expected premium hike through inflation and enhanced features. Speculations and sensor highlights. Here's where things get fascinating. Multiple rumors indicate Sony could deploy either a 33MP partially stacked sensor, enabling faster readout, speedier burst shooting, and smoother video, or, more ambitiously, a 44MP sensor adapted from the S1 or 2. If true, that would be an astonishing upgrade. Other possible perks floating around: 20 FPS burst shooting reusing the same body and articulating screen as the A7 II family, a new AI/ML powered imaging processor, superior thermal management, perhaps pointing to enhanced video performance, a bump in EVF resolution, possibly up to 5 million dots, a welcome improvement, but these are still rumors. We'll need to wait for leaks or official word to place bets. Photography versus hybrid video. Given the current video-first development trends, the A7V might lean more into stills, but if its specs land as rumored, it could offer a hybrid powerhouse. AI-driven speed, stacked sensor responsiveness, and robust video thermals. Whether that justifies the steep price is for you to decide. I think fans expect value aligned with innovation. And what about the third camera? This is the exciting enigma. Rumor flags suggest the third could be the FX3 II, likely unveiled at an industry show in Amsterdam around September. Sony Japan typically handles the high-end models, so it's fitting. But camera gear such as an A7S III successor, a revamped A7R series model, or even a fixed-lens hybrid remain in the running. For now, FX3 II is our best guess. Let me know in the comments. Does the price point feel justified if the camera truly pushes boundaries? Or is it still too steep, even with advancements? And what do you think that third mystery model will be? Let's keep the predictions rolling, and hopefully, leaks or official Sony updates come our way soon.